The one thing that drags my lot out of bed on a Saturday morning is a cooked breakfast, and this smoky spinach shakshuka does the trick. Shakshuka is a traditional Middle Eastern breakfast that literally means a mixture. It's packed with flavour, and my one is dead simple. It all starts with chopped garlic and oil. So cooking up the garlic till it's just kind of a light brown. And I'm going to add some spring onion. Season and add a spoonful of tomato puree. It's got a rich, deep, concentrated flavour of tomato that you don't get with just tomatoes alone. My dad used to collect these and then dry them up and then scare us and say, look, there's a spider in my hand. My kids are at the age where they're still waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, I mean, ideally, I'd love it if they slept in a little bit longer, but our weekends start very early and end very late. So they need feeding all the time. So that is perfect. It's cooked down. You can see all the tomatoes are kind of like all mushy. That only takes a few minutes. And now I'm going to add my spices. I've got my smoked paprika. I love this stuff. Oh, my goodness. I put this in everything. And then I'm going to add some cumin seeds. And now I'm going to add my spinach. So just be careful, because they have a tendency of kind of going everywhere. A bit. Right, so... See what I mean? There you go, look. Spinach seems to want to always go rogue. It never stays put. Saturday mornings is the only time in the entire week where we just get to just sit and we can relax and we can just kind of enjoy being a family. Right now, this is when the kids come running in and they'll say they want to crack the eggs in, but not today. I'm going to leave the fun bit for me. And I just pop the lid on. It'll just take a few minutes for the whites of the eggs to poach. It's the perfect moment to toast some bread. And this is a great way to do toast on a griddle. Ow, burn your fingers. And look at that, that's got like rich, smoky spinach sauce around the outside, and the egg whites have just cooked, just poached, but the yolks I can see are still runny, and that is perfect. And then just to finish it off, I like to add just a sprinkling of chili flakes. This is such a good way to start our morning, making sure that it's given us enough fuel for the rest of the day. Smoky Spinach Shakshuka, the perfect start to a wind-down weekend.